I am at what may be the greatest rental property ever made, and it's located here in Reunion, Florida, just about 15-20 minutes from Walt Disney World. Now I'm gonna have to keep walking and walking and walking to show you this property because it's 16,000 square feet, and you wouldn't believe it, but that room over there, it's holding a 30-foot spaceship. Located at 1228 Grand Traverse in Reunion, this mega mansion is being prepped to rent out for families and large groups starting at $2,400 a night. With room for more than 40 guests and a total of 12 ensuite bedrooms, the Morlando is a Florida destination all on its own. But for those that want to get away to local offerings, it's about 10 minutes from Margaritaville, Orlando, and 15 to 20 minutes from Walt Disney World, and yes, you can have private transport come pick you up. This location is meant for family, and that includes everyone. This property is built to be wheelchair accessible, with hallways widened, an elevator added, and some bathrooms having roll-in showers. The amenities, there are a ton to list. Inside there is a double-sized kitchen with dining space for 16 indoors and an outdoor kitchen adjacent to that space. There is a cowboy bar overlooking the 2-lane indoor bowling, which is right next to one of 2 separate arcade spaces. There is a movie theater, a fully functional gym that has a built-in sauna, an area for axe throwing, a golf simulator, an indoor and outdoor putting green, 12 washers and dryers, a pool table, and even more. Then we head outside to this fantastic oasis of a pool. This outdoor pool area has a double jacuzzi grotto, 2 pool slides, a sun shelf, a kids play space, a built-in summer kitchen, outdoor dining for 16, a fire pit, and enough swimming space for a small army. This grotto, it brings the magic of Disney's The Little Mermaid film right into your vacation home. We have toured numerous homes in this area of Central Florida, and this one is truly magnificent. In case you're wondering, no, we were not paid to say any of this, but we, along with numerous other sites, were invited out to take a look. The neighborhood of Reunion isn't new to mega homes and themed spaces. There are Disney, SeaWorld, Harry Potter, Minions, and more themed mansions all around the area. But this house decided to take it to the next level, or should I say, out of this world. Step into the Rocket Play Place, a 2,400 square foot area of fun, complete with a kid's bunk bed space. Do note, we toured this area before completion, so you're going to see some final touches still being worked on. But in a short bit of time, this home will be ready for liftoff, complete with netting from asteroid to asteroid, an interactive home game, smoke effects, and a 12-person laser tag system that starts in the rocket room, but is built to work anywhere inside this home. This property is part of the Jeeves Vacation Rentals and is the largest home to date. It joins the already existing 35,000 vacation homes and resorts in the Kissimmee, Florida area, making Kissimmee the vacation home capital of the world. In fact, vacation homes alone account for over 60% of all tourist tax revenue in the area, with a 170% increase in home rentals since 2020. Kissimmee is the second most sought after vacation destination, only falling behind Paris, France, for those in Europe looking for an extended vacation. Experience Kissimmee states that rental homes in this area range from $75 to $4,000 a night, depending on home size and area, with 2-bedroom condos being an option, as are 15-bedroom mega mansions. Guests can even request personal chefs, housekeepers, and drivers. You can visit JeevesFloridaRentals.com to see their array of homes, ExperienceKissimmee.com to see more attractions and offerings in the area, and our site, EYNTK.info, for all things travel, food, lifestyle, and after hours. And please, message us if you want to rent this home. We really want to stay there with you.